Hello, my name is Fritz, and be warned, I'm not a pilot. I've got a fake pilot license, so I'm a general clumsy pilot. And that's all I'm going to say, so get your puke bags ahead of you, because my flying might make you sick. But I've been listening to the discussion about joystick versus keyboard, and I was too cheap to buy a joystick because Elite was the only game I had that I was told needed a joystick. But now I actually bought a Logitech Extreme 3D Pro or something like that. Yes, hello. And this is playing with keyboard and mouse. I've been playing this game for 2 years with keyboard and mouse, and let's see, this is a bad place. Yeah, good.
Frameshift drive charging.
So now that I've got a joystick, I just wanted to show that I'm just a clumsy pilot, not a bad pilot. Just clumsy. So I've set a course for one jump, and this is with keyboard and mouse, and everything is going smoothly.
Frameshift drive charging.
But my experience with joystick has been like I tried for 2 hours, and you'll see how much I learned. There's a deep learning curve if you go from keyboard and mouse to joystick, and are not used to it. I'll show you in a little, but this is how I normally fly. I would say this might be a good trip. We are not there yet, but we will soon be. If I can get around that yellow thing there. Oh, it's a short hop. Let's just get in and dock, and then I'll fly back with joystick. But after I've been setting up, but you won't get through the struggle of setting up the joystick. That's all my problem. But this is normal, easy, calm, speeding a bit around. I do take the occasional trip around the planet when I forget my brakes, but not yet. Not today. Frog spawn. I would never have guessed. Most of my gaming is casual. I like to get amused by my random inabilities. And we got some cube to enter, and it's stopped up there. Okay.
South Kruger, Mike Uniform Lima. Please obtain proper authorization before attempting to dock. Permission granted. Set down on landing pad 40.
Flight assist off.
Oh no, I'm tilting. Yes. Go.
Landing gear deployed.
I like to use the dart principles when docking, if I can. It's something about the middle of the circle, approximately, and then go this and go this. And we're down. Nice landing. No problems. Keyboard mouse.
Touchdown
2 years.
confirmed. Execute
Yeah.
system shutdown. Our facilities are at your disposal, Commander.
Well, thank you very much. And now for the flight back with the joystick controls. I'm just embracing myself for this. Well, okay, I'm not being let go before. Okay, yes. I can do this. I've been concentrating for a whole minute. Let's see, we're going up.
Landing coupler disengaged. Please exit the station safely and promptly.
Hello. Let's see, how do I do this? Yes, this way. Yes, that way. Oh, I'm using keyboard, sorry. Can't stop doing that. Oh shit, this is turn. Aha! Good. And there should be some sort of... Yes, this was it. And then we need to do this and
Flight
this.
assist off.
This is the thing I say. That's easier to fly with flight assist off.
You are
Let's
now
see.
clear of the station. Thank you, Commander. Have a splendid journey.
I actually don't know where my center side is.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
You know, the one for where the mouse is moving. Well, don't need it. This thing goes just as well on keyboard and mouse, and until the big yellow thing comes in. I'm not having difficulty. It's just, yeah, it's just me. So I keep putting my left hand on the keyboard when I know I should be using the joystick. This part is quite easy too, and the docking is gonna... throttle, where's throttle? That's... there. That should be good. A bit too slow? Yeah, a bit too slow. No, it's the planet. Now I'm too fast. Yeah, I'm way too fast. We get the sightseeing. Come on. Ah, that's what that's for. Uh-huh. So this way and this way and full throttle and
Sound
bum,
Kruger,
bum,
Mike
bum.
Uniform Lima. You are approaching an Imperial facility. Please follow all docking regulations and fly safely.
Flight assist off.
Approval granted. Please continue to Bay 32.
That's gonna be something like that.
Flight assist on.
Ah, it's too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. Shit. I'm turning upside down. Stop, stop, stop. Uh-oh. This is bad. This is... I am entering...
Gear deployed.
Yes, and landed. Shit. Sorry for my language. I'm what's it called? From a lesser evolved species. Oh, stop, 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 stop. And reverse, please. Where's reverse? There's reverse. Yes. Oh, stop. Oh.
Landing successful. Disembark when ready.
And now I need something to calm my heart rate. Thank you for watching and enjoy. I hope this has brought some insight in the difficulties some might have about joysticks. I have to train more and I have to have a cold shower now because I'm sweating. Nothing I'm used to from playing with keyboard. Bye bye.